Okay, this video is how to put a front license tag bracket on the front of a 2004 F150 FX4. The part number we ordered is here, straight from FordParts.com, and here's a look at the bracket. It's going to clip at the top and then push in at the bottom. And then here's what it looks like on the front of the bumper. You can see this metal bumper. Got a groove here, and it's going to hook just behind that, and then down in here, if you look close, you can see a slot here and a slot here, and that's where the bracket is going to clip into. And here, for comparison purposes, is another 2004. This is not an FX4 model, and you can see this is a chrome painted metal bumper. That was a this is a chrome metal bumper. That was a painted metal bumper. It just clips at the top and then slides in at the bottom.